Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox stock and loading screen. So first you have to go to your search menu or start menu and then type Roblox. Now you will see option here Roblox Studio or Roblox Player. You have to click Roblox Player. Tap on open file location and then here you have to right click again. Look for open file location. Now this time you have to look for Roblox Beta. Right click and then look for properties. Now, at this time, what you're going to do is you have to simply look for compatibility. So tap on properties first, click on compatibility, tap this, run this program in compatibility mode 4, just leave it Windows 8, disable this full screen optimization, and then run this as administrator, tap apply, okay, and see if this method works. If not, the next thing you should do here is you have to go to Microsoft Store and then you have to install this Roblox using Microsoft Store. Uninstall it first and then install it using the Microsoft Store. Open and see if this fixes Roblox stock and loading screen. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.